Modern kitchens are becoming more versatile than ever, and countertop ovens have become one of the most popular appliances for homeowners, apartment dwellers, students, and busy families. These compact cooking solutions offer convenience, flexibility, and valuable space-saving benefits without sacrificing cooking performance. Whether you're reheating leftovers, preparing quick meals, defrosting ingredients, or cooking snacks, a quality countertop oven can make everyday kitchen tasks faster and easier. Today's countertop ovens feature advanced cooking technologies, user-friendly controls, multiple power levels, and efficient designs that fit comfortably on kitchen counters. Many models also offer preset cooking programs, digital displays, child safety features, and energy-efficient operation. For smaller kitchens where space is limited, countertop ovens provide a practical alternative to larger built-in appliances while still delivering reliable cooking performance. In this guide, we're counting down the top 5 best countertop ovens for 2026 to help you find the perfect balance of performance, convenience, and affordability. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5 is the Nostalgia Retro Microwave Oven. The Nostalgia Retro Microwave Oven combines modern cooking performance with a stylish vintage-inspired design that stands out in any kitchen. While many countertop appliances focus strictly on functionality, this model adds a touch of personality and visual appeal without compromising everyday usability. One of the biggest advantages of this microwave oven is its retro aesthetic. The classic styling, chrome accents, and nostalgic appearance make it an attractive addition to kitchens that embrace vintage decor or unique design themes. Beyond its appearance, the microwave provides dependable cooking and reheating performance for daily tasks. Whether you're warming leftovers, preparing frozen meals, or making quick snacks, it delivers the convenience users expect from a countertop appliance. Another benefit is its compact footprint. Smaller kitchens often require appliances that maximize functionality while minimizing space requirements, and this model fits that need well. Coming in at number 4 is the BLACK+DECKER Digital Microwave Oven. BLACK+DECKER has long been known for producing practical and reliable household appliances, and this digital microwave oven continues that tradition. Designed for everyday use, it offers a strong balance of convenience, performance, and affordability. One of the standout features of this model is its digital control system. Clear buttons and an easy-to-read display help simplify operation while providing access to multiple cooking functions and settings. The microwave's power output allows for efficient reheating, cooking, and defrosting. Fast and consistent heating helps users prepare meals more quickly, making it especially useful for busy households and individuals with demanding schedules. Another advantage is its versatile cooking capability. Modern microwave ovens are used for far more than reheating leftovers, and this model supports a wide variety of food preparation tasks. At number 3 is the Breville BMO 650 SIL Microwave Oven. Breville is widely respected for producing premium kitchen appliances, and the BMO 650 SIL microwave oven reflects the company's commitment to quality, innovation, and user-friendly design. One of the biggest strengths of this microwave is its sophisticated control system. The intuitive interface makes it easy to select cooking functions, adjust power levels, and customize settings based on the specific food being prepared. Another advantage is its focus on cooking precision. Consistent heating performance helps improve results while reducing the risk of uneven cooking, which can be a common issue with lower-quality microwave ovens. The interior design also contributes to convenience. A thoughtfully designed cooking chamber helps accommodate a variety of dishes while making cleaning easier after use. Build quality is another area where Breville excels. Durable materials and careful engineering help ensure reliable performance over time, making this appliance a worthwhile investment for frequent users. Taking the number 2 spot is the Toshiba Flatbed Microwave Oven. The Toshiba Flatbed Microwave Oven stands out because of its innovative flatbed design. Unlike traditional microwave ovens that rely on a rotating turntable, this model uses a flat cooking surface that provides greater flexibility and usable interior space. One of the biggest advantages of the flatbed design is increased capacity. Without a turntable taking up space, users can accommodate larger dishes and containers more easily. This makes the microwave particularly useful for families and individuals who frequently prepare larger meals. Another benefit is easier cleaning. Flat surfaces are generally simpler to wipe down than traditional turntable systems, helping reduce maintenance effort. The microwave also delivers strong cooking and reheating performance. Multiple power levels and cooking settings allow users to customize operation for different foods and preparation methods. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Crosson Commercial Microwave Oven. The Crosson Commercial Microwave Oven earns the top position because of its exceptional power, durability, and professional-grade performance. Designed to handle demanding environments, it delivers the speed and reliability that serious users expect. One of the biggest strengths of this microwave is its commercial-level construction. Built to withstand heavy daily use, it offers durability that goes beyond many residential countertop appliances. The powerful heating system allows for rapid cooking and reheating, helping save valuable time during meal preparation. Consistent performance ensures food is heated evenly and efficiently, even during frequent use. Another major advantage is reliability. Commercial-grade appliances are engineered for long-term operation, making them particularly appealing to users who rely heavily on their countertop oven every day. The spacious interior and efficient design provide flexibility for a wide range of cooking tasks. Whether used in a busy household, office break room, small cafe, or professional setting, the Crosson microwave delivers dependable results. Choosing the right countertop oven depends on several important factors. Cooking capacity, heating performance, control features, ease of cleaning, durability, and overall convenience all contribute to the user experience. Countertop ovens have become essential kitchen appliances because they provide quick and efficient cooking solutions while saving valuable space. Whether you're outfitting a small apartment, upgrading a family kitchen, or adding extra cooking capability to your home, the right countertop oven can make everyday meal preparation significantly easier. That wraps up our guide to the top 5 best countertop ovens for 2026. From the stylish nostalgia retro microwave oven, the dependable BLACK+DECKER digital microwave oven, the premium Breville BMO 650 SIL microwave oven, the innovative Toshiba flatbed microwave oven, to the top-rated Crosson commercial microwave oven, there's a perfect option here for every kitchen and budget. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.